Hello there, boys and girls, second graders. I hope you are having a great day. I know I am. I am going to show us page number 171. That's where we're going to start. And we are going to do adding two-digit numbers. It is lesson 4.4 in Big Ideas Math. And let's get started. Okay, our learning target. Remember, you always want to have a target when you're trying to do something. This is what you're trying to get to. And a target, remember, is like this. We want to shoot at our target. That's what we're going for. This. Use regrouping when needed to add. Okay, we want to make sure that we need to regroup before we do it. All right, and you will find out why that's so important very quickly. All right, make a quick sketch to find 38 plus 24. Now remember, we're doing tens and ones. My tens are the lines and my ones are just dots. So 38 plus 24 is 1, 2, 3 sets of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Now my other number is 24. 1, 2 sets of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Now, use regrouping when needed to add. And we learned yesterday that when do we need to regroup? When we have enough ones to make a new set of 10. So let's see if I have enough ones. If I have 8 in my ones column, then I know that I only need 1, 2 to make it to 10, right? 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to take all of these and just 2 of those, and this is going to make a brand new shiny 10. When I put these together and I put this 10 over here, I no longer get to use those as ones. They are done. So I have how many left on the one side? 2. And how many do I have on my 10 side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sets of 10 and 2 ones. Now, let's take a look at this. I have 8 plus 4. You can do this however you like. You can make a sketch. You can do it in your head. You can break your numbers apart. But 8 plus 4, I know that I only need 2 to make that into a 10. And then there's 2 left. So 8 plus 4 is 12. It's bigger than 10, so I'm going to need to regroup. So I have 12, 2 in the ones column, and my set of 10 goes over here. It's just like this, but I'm only doing it with numbers. And I have 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 more is 5, 6. 62. I have 62 up here. I have 62 here. I know that 38 plus 24 equals 62. Let's turn the page. I am now on page 172. Let's see. I have, it says, add the ones, regroup 14 ones as 1 10 and 4 ones, then add the tens. Okay? That is how we do this problem here. 58 plus 16, we write that problem. 58, right? 5 tens and 8 ones, plus 16, 1 set of 10 and 6 ones. 8 plus 6 is 14. I have the 4 and the 1 set of 10. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 5 is 7. Or I could say 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. Either way. All right. Now, this one, 44 plus 21, add the ones. 5 ones aren't enough to regroup. So I don't have to do any up here. I have not gotten a new set of 10. All right, let's do this. 44 is 4 10s and 4 1s, plus 21, 2 10s and 1 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. I don't have enough to make a 10, so this I don't use at all. 4 plus 2 is 6. That's all it is. You have to just make sure that you only regroup when you have more than 10 in the ones column. All right, 69 plus 22. Let's take a look. 6 sets of 10 and 9 ones. Plus 22, that's 2 sets of 10 and 2 ones. 9 plus 2, 9 in my head, plus 2 more is 10, 11. 11 is more than 10. So I put the ones here, and I put that one set of 10 up here. It doesn't matter. I can add in any order. We've learned that earlier in the book. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 more is 9. Or 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Or 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Any way you want to do that is going to work. All right, let's do the next one. 25 plus 37, that's 2 sets of 10 and 5 ones. Plus 3 sets of 10 and 7 ones. 5 plus 7 is 12. I know that there's 7, and I'll take 3 of these 5 to make a 10, and then there will be 2 left over. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 in the ones column, 1 set of 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 more is 6. Now let's look at this. I'll get that light out of there. 31 plus 26. I have 3 sets of 10 plus 1, 1. I have 2 sets of 10 plus 6 ones. 6 plus 1 more equals 7. 7 does not have enough in it to make a 10. It's not 17, it's just 7. If it doesn't have enough to make a 10, if it's not more than 10 in the ones column, then I don't use that. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, they're giving us this. They've been telling us that this is my special spot for regrouping. They're not going to have that all through the book, so let's get ready now. 15 plus 38 equals what? I have 1 set of 10 and 5 ones. I have 3 sets of 10 and 8 ones. I have 5 plus 8. I know that 2 of the 5 make, if I take 2 of the 5 and put it with the 8, that makes a 10. If I took 2, there's 3 left over. So 10 plus 3 is the same as 5 plus 8, 13. So I take the 3 from the 13, the ones column, and I put the 10 over here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 more is 5. It doesn't matter how you do it. 5. 15 plus 38 equals 53. All right, keeping going. And you notice that I did not write all the way at the top. I left a little room because I might need to add my regrouped 10. All right, 62 plus 13. I'm going to leave a little bit of room on the top. 6 sets of 10, 2 ones, plus, oops, I almost made a mistake. plus 1 set of 10, sorry, that doesn't look like a 1, and 3 ones, right? 62, 13. 2 plus 3 is 5. We've been practicing. I want us to get those facts in our brain really quickly. It's not more than 10, so I do not put a number up here. I don't put a 1 up here. 6 plus 1 more is 7. So I had to regroup because this was more than 10. I had to regroup because this was more than 10. I did not regroup because this is less than 10. I did regroup because this is more than 10. And this one, I did not have to regroup because this was not more than 10. Let's take a look at 46 plus 49. Let's just look right now at the ones column. 6 plus 9. I bet in your smart brains, you're thinking 6 plus 9. I know that's going to be more than 10, so I will have to regroup. That's what I want you to start thinking. I want you to start thinking, when I add these two numbers, I will need to regroup or I won't need to regroup. All right, so 46 plus 49, I'm going to leave a space. 4 sets of 10 plus 6 ones, and 4 sets of 10 plus 9 ones. 9 plus 6 is, take 1 away from 6, and that makes this a 10, and that makes this a 5. 6 plus 9 is the same as 5 plus 10, 15. That's more than 10, so I put the 5 here, I put the 1 here. 4 plus 4 is our double, plus 1 more. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. All right, boys and girls, there's more practice here. I'm running out of time on my recording. What I want you to do is practice page 175. Remember, always, you're using regrouping to add when needed. Don't regroup. You don't automatically put a 1 up on top. It's only when you need it. Okay? Do 175. If your parents want you to do this, or if you want to challenge yourself, then you can do 176, and we are done.